So today is March 20th, 2018, and it's the first day of spring. And when it's the first day of spring, that means Rita's gives out free Italian ice. So I guess that's what I'm going to be doing today. But since you're watching, I guess you're going to come along.
Ooh.
You want to drive?
Nah, I'll drive. I'll drive.
What? Time to do some illegal things. Look where we are.
Rita's? Took him to Rita's. He took us to Rita's.
Oh yeah, by the way, you guys are paying for me.
What?
I didn't bring my wallet, so.
What'd you tell the lady?
Same thing but cherry.
The same thing as me, but cherry. So you want another Italian ice, but cherry. Hey, speak. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. You good? I was looking at AJ's face. I'm cooked right now.
Oh, yo, Anthony, it's this guy.
Giant jock guy. Cop just to keep.
I thought you guys said cop like police. Yo, AJ, why are you checking them out? Why are you checking them out?
We just got Rita's here at this one town, and we're gonna go to the next town to get what?
More Ritas! Yo, AJ, why are you checking out those girls? Yo, where the fuck are we going?
I don't know.
You said the next. You
Yeah.
guys literally told.
Oh shit! Seatbelt, bro.
Who?
You.
Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm too big to hold my.
Let's hit at least 3 of them.
I don't be like